Hi teachers, this is Kat from catteacher.com. I just wanted to show you guys how to get all of those cool alphabet flashcards as objects into your Manycam free version. Now, of course, you can find the link to the free version in the post. It's pretty easy to use, and this is kind of a fun, easy thing to play around with, especially if you're still new at Manycam. So basically, you can just go to the post, right? So the cute and fun alphabet flashcards, MCV for Manycam. We're going to go ahead and we're going to scroll down and you can see all this good stuff. This is where you can download the free version of Manycam. It's free, and most of the stuff that I end up doing in the Dad classroom is with the free version anyway. So it's pretty fun. So we've got all of these really cool alphabet flashcards. Now, exactly how do you get them into Manycam? Now, if you click right here, this is the zip file. If you click right here, it will automatically start downloading. Okay, so it's not huge. It's just a little bit slower because of my internet today, but another 15 seconds left. That's pretty easy. Basically, what will happen is it'll download the zip file. We're going to extract all of those MCV files. So those are the files that Manycam can read. And let's just go have a look at it. So we're going to open up here. We're going to... Maybe we don't even have to extract it. Oh, that's even easier. Okay, so we don't actually have to extract anything, but you can see these are all MCV files, and this is all the Manycam logo. So if you don't have Manycam, it's not going to make any sense. It's not going to be able to read it. Now you can try to select all of them. Oh, that totally works. And you're going to basically right-click, hit open, and boom, 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 boom. If your computer is a bit slower, the processing speed isn't as fast. It might go a little bit slower than that. You can go piece by piece, but we'll have a look because once we go into our effects, 26 objects, that's perfect. Now, if you want to try to stay organized, which sometimes people do, sometimes they don't, I alphabetized. That makes sense, right? I alphabetized my alphabet flashcards. I alphabetize everything so that if you are searching for them, maybe you're not really super organized. If you are searching for them, if you just type in the letter A, you should be able to find them. Let me see if I just search A. Okay, so here. So everything with A shows up, but A works out first. So if you wanted to type in letter, well, then all of the alphabet's going to come up. Or if you wanted to type in alphabet, right? So then everything with alphabet in it will show up. Now, if you want to stay even more organized, because you're awesome at this, basically what we're going to do is we're going to add a new folder. Okay, so I'm going to just call it alphabet, right? So I'll add in the folder alphabet. And now it's here at the bottom. Now, if I click this plus here, I'm going to move some effects over. Now, if I go to basically, where would they be? They'd be in objects, right? So that's where they went. That's the folder they went into immediately. If you go to objects, you can just start clicking on all of these. So now anything that's in the objects folder, I can easily move over without doing, you know, each one by one. I know there's 26, so that is kind of annoying, but here we go. So move 26, done. They're all in my alphabet folder now. So nice way to stay organized. You can click on this. You can kind of move it around. What's kind of fun is if you have some extra presets, you could very easily just kind of create a blank image with a color. And you can kind of move over here. And you could add in a couple of these. So maybe if you want to play a game with some flashcards, so you have A, B, and C. And so you get to see, okay, kids, A, B, C, D, some A, B, C, whatever. And then you can kind of take one away, close their eyes. You can move them around and you can say, oh, what's missing? What's missing, right? So the B is missing. So that could be a kind of a fun, simple, really easy way to have fun with the flashcards and have fun with your little kiddos who are learning their letters. So I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you next time on catteacher.com. Thanks, guys. Bye.